Here's my tutorial on how to solve a Rubik's Cube. Alright, first thing you want to do in the process of solving is to solve one face, which is going to be your top. I always use the white because it's just, it's got a little Rubik's Cube thing on the top. Alright, the first step that you want to do is to make a cross. Alright, and for people that haven't really messed with a Rubik's Cube before, or is their first time, then the centerpiece is the color of the face. Since this is white, this is going to be white, this whole face. This is red, blue, and so on. Alright, so the first step is to line your colors up. Alright, since I have a white and red right here, then I want to put it between the white face and the red face. Alright, so I'm going to move it away, bring the middle down, bring it back, and bring it back up. And I have that piece in there, so it's in the right spot. Alright, so to carry on without messing this piece up, I have to do the same thing over and over again. So I have white and orange. I want to put it between the white face and the orange face. So I want to line the white up with where I want it to go. And I'm going to do this move. I'm going to move it away, bring it down, bring it back, and bring it back. There we go. Alright, if you have a piece on the side right here, all you have to do is move it up like that. Alright, so see how that works. Alright, sometimes you'll get a piece in here that is upside down like this. It's in the right spot though. Alright, so I'm going to want to move it down, move it away, and move the middle back up. Alright, and then I want to line it back up with where it should go. Alright, and then I'm going to move the middle down, turn it twice, 1, 2, bring it back up. There we go, we have a cross. Alright, the next step is to get the corners in place. And when you're working with this, you always want to keep the white face, or whichever face you're solving, on the top. You want to be looking at the side. Alright, so since I have a white, or orange, and blue piece, I'm going to look for the white, orange, and blue faces. Got the white face, orange face, and the blue face. So this piece needs to go right here. So I'm going to want to line it up with where it needs to go. By line it up, I mean I want to be looking at the white face, or the white piece that's going there. So I'm going to move it away, bring it down, bring it back, and bring it back. Alright, then I have a white, green, and red piece. So I'm going to look for the white, green, and red faces. White, green, and red. I'm going to line it up, and move it away, bring it down, bring it back, and bring it back. Alright, then if I have a piece that's in here that needs to be flipped, I'm going to want to bring it out, or bring it down. So I would actually be acting like I'm putting this piece up there. Or I can just bring it down and move it out. Alright, sometimes you might think, which way do I need to move it? Alright, if I bring it down this way, this white piece is going to be on the bottom. That makes it pretty hard to solve. Alright, so I'm going to move it back up, and if I look at it this way and I bring it down, it's going to put it on the side. So when I move it out, it'll be on the side. Alright, so I'm going to line it up with where I need it to go. I got white, blue, and red. I got my white, blue, and red. So I'm going to line it up, move it away, bring it down, bring it back, and bring it back. Alright, and I got one more. I'm going to line it up, move it away, down, back, and back. Now we have our top. Alright, you can't go to the next step unless you know that you got your top right. you know that it's right when you make a T out of the colors on all four sides. If you don't have a T, then you need to move your pieces out. Say if you had like alright, say if you had the top soft, but you have a color out of place. I'm going to have to bring it out, which would be the opposite of putting it up there. And then just solve it, like that. Alright, so now we have a T. Then you're ready to move to the next step. Alright, this is part 2, or step 2. I have my top solved, and I got the T on all four sides. Alright, the next step is to solve this middle part all the way around, right here. I want to get that the same color. Alright, what we're doing is we're taking these pieces right here, and we're putting them up into their place. Alright, say I have a green and an orange piece. It needs to go between the green and the orange face. So I want to put it right here. So what I want to do is whichever color is facing me on this side, I'm going to line it up with the T. If it's like this, then it's wrong. Alright, so I'm going to line it up, and I'll move it away, bring it down, bring it back, and bring it back. Then I'm going to turn the cube and solve for the white corner, just like in step 1, where I was solving the top. So I'm going to line it up, which it should already be lined up. Alright, then you're going to move it away, bring it down, bring it back, and bring it back. Alright, got that piece in. So we're going to look on the bottom for another piece that needs to go up. So we got a red and blue. Alright, here's our red face and our blue face. So we're going to line it up with a T. We're going to move it away from where it needs to go. So it needs to go right here, so we're going to move it away. Bring the whites down. Bring it back. Bring the whites back up. Then we're going to turn it and solve for the white piece. Move it away. Bring it down. Bring it back. And bring it back. And we have our red and blue. Alright. So then we have our green and our red. So we're going to put it up. Alright, say for instance that you have this piece is in there, but it's flipped. So what we're going to do is we're going to act like we're putting this piece in there. It's just going to be like faking it. So we can get it down here on this bottom, so we can put it in. So we move it away, bring it down, bring it back, and solve for the white. Away, down, back, and back. Alright, and then we have that piece, we have that piece on the bottom. Alright, so we're going to move it away, bring it down, bring it back, and bring it back. Away, down, back, back. And we got it. Then we got one more piece to put in. And do that same move again. Away, down, back, back. Away, down, back, back. And there you go.